Developing now, authorities are still trying to find a top aide who worked for former Maryland Governor Larry Hogan after he didn't show up in court yesterday. Our Joseph Olmo has the latest.
Hey there, you can call it a federal court no-show, if you will. You know, Roy McGrath, he had one of Maryland's top jobs. He went from having that to being charged federally for fraud. And now, after he was nowhere to be found yesterday, he is facing an arrest warrant. This is a photo of McGrath from his short stint as former Maryland Governor Larry Hogan's chief of staff. Now, before that, he was the head of the Maryland Environmental Service. He is charged with getting an over $200,000 severance payment from that agency as he made the move up into the governor's office. Now, at the time, he said Governor Hogan approved of this paycheck, something Hogan quickly said was not the case. Now, once all this went public, the news got out. McGrath resigned as chief of staff in August of 2020 after only 2 months on the job. He's also accused of embezzling another $170,000. Now, McGrath's attorney told reporters outside of court that he did talk to his client the day before he was supposed to be in court. This was on Sunday. He characterized that conversation as, quote, substantively productive. But then he was very shocked to see that his client did not show up about 15 minutes before he had to face a judge. Now, as for his client, Roy McGrath, once he was done with his job in Maryland, once he resigned from his position, he moved down to Naples, Florida. If convicted just on these fraud charges alone, he faces up to 3 decades in prison. Reporting in Greenbelt, Maryland, I'm Joseph Olmo, DC News Now. Back to you.
And DC News Now has confirmed that Collier County Sheriff's Office in Florida conducted a welfare check yesterday at McGrath's home. He was not there. We have also confirmed that the U.S. Marshal Service is the lead agency that's actively searching for McGrath this afternoon.